So this is a few of the tool holders for the quick change tool post with the insert bits fitted. So these are just some of what I've got. That's a nice radius in one. That's a bit of a homemade thing. That's the one I've just made. And 3 different size boring bars. I think 5 of those tool holders I made myself, the main units. The rest were bought, excuse me. And these are some of the tools. Some I've bought, but quite a lot of these came when I bought the Myford. Certainly all the HSS stuff did. That's got another brazed tip in. These have been made for various jobs obviously, and that one for radiusing. That's got a bit missing. That's obviously for doing an acme thread. Another one, that one's falling the side, so it's probably for a boring bar or something. Another one there that's got the tip missing. Yeah, so they're the holders as such, and the quick change tool holders. So I'll knock this off and come back in a second and I'll show you the tips that I've got. So, cutter inserts. Where do I start? They're the ones I showed you the other night when I was making that tool. And these are just tons of cutters. Now I have got holders for a lot of these. I think one of them is the rotary cutter, the face cutter for the mill. They're all different grades. And there's some unusual ones, I like round. Now, there's only a few of these in the boxes, and I was going to put them all in one box, but when I look on the back, those two are different grades. So I'm keeping them together in their own box. And some of you guys that watch this might know what a lot of these cutter inserts are for. I've got a holder for them. Quite good as well, especially for facing off. These are round ones. And I haven't bothered opening these boxes, but there's loads of them. Most of them are Sandvik. But because there's like just 1 and 2 in some of them, I mean they're big ones, they are big. I've got a holder for them, and then another box of miscellaneous that were given. With all sorts of cutters in. I was surprised how many brace type these, unless there's a holder for these. I'm assuming they're brazed ones that you'd braze in, but I don't know. Looking at the colours and corners of some, they've been used, which tells me they're probably not brazed, and there is a holder for them. They're all the little different keys, spare screws, all different sizes. And these look like parting blades, quite a few of them, all different widths. 6.35 that said. So I'm assuming they are some sort of parting blade. Some plain ones again, we know holing. Quite a few threading ones. Doing threading. And a load of plain ones here, they're quite big. I'd noticed, not that box, one box they opened, quite a few of them were chipped. So I bet they've been used and then returned back to the box. Some larger threading inserts, even larger, look. Yeah, like that. That's broken, been damaged. Probably wants thrown away. Yeah. Plain ones again. So yeah, we've got a hell of an assortment, and I'm never going to use all these, definitely. I'll use some, but you know, a lot of these were gifted to me and friends departed and various other sources. I can only think within, you know, next whatever years my children will be doing the same, gifting them to somebody else, because I'll never use them all. Okay, I mean, some of the lads on model engineering forum will probably know what, you know, lots of these are for. I mean, if I want to cut a piece of metal, I just grab a cutter and do it. But I know there's specific tools for specific metals, and I don't seem to follow that because I don't know. So, being ignorant, I just use them, and if they break, they break. Although, in fairness, I've not broke many. Chipped odd one, dug in by accident. Okay, just thought I'd show that, guys. Hope it's useful for anybody having a good look around at all different cutter inserts you can get. I'm not showing you all part numbers of them because there's just too many. Okay, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.